Hello everyone, my name is Barbara from SplashLearn, and today we'll discuss how to use assignment reports. In the Class Assignment tab, you'll get all the assignments that you have given to your class with an overview of the classroom performance. To understand better, we can open an assignment here, Word Problems on Addition and Subtraction of Fractions. The best part is that the program automatically creates student groups as per their skill level. Now you can take necessary reinforcement steps as per the given data. You can reassign the assignment to students who need practice in this skill. Now, let's have a look at the detailed reports of the class. Here you'll get an overall class report and the individual student report. You can check the skill level of each student with respect to the content group. Then, the student report gives a detailed view of student performance. You can select the name of the student in your class, and it will give you the report as per the learning objective in a particular content group. These are actionable reports where you can reassign or make data-driven decisions from it. And you can also print these reports for further analysis or sharing purposes. Thanks for watching! For any further queries, you may reach us at help@splashlearn.com.